Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Going to do it a little bit differently. I've already got this cut open. We're going to be showing you the models. They're out of order a little bit. I could try and explain why, but I got this from Mattel. I'm going to show you the models that are coming in the Hot Wheels 2023 Walmart Zamac E-Case. We've got E-Case models in here. We've got the new Zamacs. 2 Zamacs, I believe, in each case now. Remember how we're doing this a little bit differently. The last case had the Pagani and the van, right? I think it was the, I can't remember what the van is called. And this one has 2, I think, were the cool Kombi and the Thunderbird. So I cut this open already. We're just gonna turn this over and we're gonna have a look at what is inside. You can already see right there what we're looking at. So this is laid out pretty cool. We're just going to basically look at the models because it looks like they're all kind of put together. So this is the McLaren Elva. We've seen that. With the Mach It Go, we have seen that. Here is your first. I'm going to move this because last time I bumped the microphone. Turned off. So there is your first Zamac. We did this in the what was it? The sneak peek video that we did. We already showed this one. This is the Matt and Debbie Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird. First came in white this year. Now we have it in the Zamac with the black trim. 3 of those so far. Let's see if there's anything more. Nissan Skyline GTR, the R32. That's in the E-Case. There's your 4th Thunderbird. So we have 4 of these. Good to know. This will kind of give you a sense of the counts of these cases. They're laid out a little bit differently because they came directly from Mattel, but the assortment is exactly the same. So tuned to 83 Chevy Silverado, Aston Martin Vantage GTE. These are what you can expect if you find this case, which obviously, since they sent it, it's going to be coming out soon. 82 Cadillac Seville. There are 2 of the Honda Civic EFs. All of these we have seen. 82 Cadillac Seville, again, Roland Solo. I think we only had 1 Cadillac in the previous case. 3 of the Batmobile. Lucid Air in 2 of those. Eric Steinrod. We've seen these, I get these cases, and at least so we can look at the assortments. Lotus Evija and the Eric Steinrod again. Tuned 83 Chevy Silverado and 2 of the Time Attack. See, you might have seen I found an error in the regular E-Case that I opened. And here is the other Zamac. We'll look at that Count Muscula and we'll let that kind of get out of the way. This is clearly going to be a very, very popular Zamac. It is the cool Kombi in Mooneyes color. So 4 of those. We've got 4 of the Thunderbird and 4 of these. I think that kind of goes in line with what we saw in the first case of Zamacs. Remember, they're doing fewer Zamacs this year and releasing them 2 at a time as opposed to 3 at a time. This is the E-Case. Obviously, the last one was it the C-Case or the B-Case that had them? I think it was the C-Case. I could be wrong there. But, we're seeing it. Well, maybe it's every 3. So if we saw it in the B-Case and then 2 and then... Anyway, we'll figure that out as we go. So this cool Kombi is just fantastic. It's just going to be wildly popular. We know it just because it's a Zamac, because it's Mooneyes, because it's a cool Kombi. It's kind of a 3 for 3 kind of deal. All right, let's go through these 2. You can see these are kind of turned around a little bit, but that's all right. Armadillo, we've seen that. Snoopy and the Automobile Pininfarina Battista. Yeah, these layouts are different, right? Because they clearly they have to inspect. But we can see what the assortments are. And this is exactly the same as the E-Case. So I expect to see everything. DMC DeLorean, Braille Racer, the Twin Mill, and then the Brick and Motor. Cliprod, Nissan Leaf Nismo, and the Lolux. Obviously, another very popular one will be the Tri-5 Terra 55 Bel Air Gasser. There is the 32 Ford. Classic cars abound, plus a Lego car, Brick and Speed. I gotta quit calling them Lego cars. BMW 507, 84 Corvette, and Nissan Leaf Nismo. I think those were all from the last case. Ford Mustang, Mach-E 1400. I should basically say it's a Mach-E because I can't stop at Ford Mustang because that ain't a Ford Mustang. Chrysler Pacifica and the Water Bomber. Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock. That's a very cool one. Head gasket and the Dodge Hemi Challenger. This is a little bit anticlimactic, right? Because we've already seen these. Copa Camaro, Mazda MX-5, and the Jeepster Commando. But you can see is like what gets, what multiples get sacrificed, and hopefully all the other models are in here. So there's the brick and motor. Again, there's the 86 Toyota van and the new model El Segundo Coupe, which is cool. Hummer, there's a couple of the new ones here. Really like that Hummer in white. Really like that Audi RS e-tron GT in what would you call, I don't even know what you call that color. And then the Ford Focus. Mod Rod, that's the regular treasure hunt. Lotus Emira, that's really cool in that kind of burnt orange. And the Surf and Turf. And then we finish off with the 1968 Mazda Cosmo Sport in orange. If it were burnt orange, it would be a super treasure hunt, but it's not. I haven't seen very many supers pulled from Zamac cases, but I know they're in there. Some people have. And the Ice Shredder and then the Drone Duty. Highlights, we're only focused on 2 highlights. Cool Kombi, Zamac, beautiful model, and the Matt and Debbie Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird, also a beautiful model. Really nice. Bummed about the Zamacs being fewer this year, but like the selection so far. You guys tell me what you think. I assume you're going to want this one. Yeah, let me know. Bye.